Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at Timekettle W4 Pro AI Interpreter Earbuds. In the back of the box we can see some specifications: real-time translation playback, phone call and online meeting translation, 40 plus online languages, 95% accuracy, 6 hours of continuous translation and offline translation. Now let's unbox the earbuds. After we unbox it, we are presented with the earbuds themselves inside of a hard shell case. This is the charger. I'm gonna open the earbuds last. Yeah, so we have a Type-C to Type-A charging cable. Here we have some paperwork, but let's take a look. We have the quick start guide and the frequently asked questions. The top of the box is plastic and the sides are aluminum. It has a button on the bottom of the box. Okay, so I wasn't expecting that. The box is magnetic. Yeah. Pretty cool. These are the earbuds. This is the left earbud. Here we have 3 pins for charging. Let's say the speaker of the earbud. Microphones. Yeah. You can clearly tell that while holding these earbuds in hand that this is not a cheap product. This is the Timekettle app. You can find it on Play Store, or if you have an iPhone you can find it on App Store. You will need to install this app in order to use all of the features. Let me show you a situation using these earbuds in the real world. Back in 2024 I was at IFA in Berlin and I passed by the Timekettle stand. I was very curious about this new product because I saw the ad there that said AI interpreter earbuds and I wanted to know more. The guy that you see here on the video is, or at least was, the Timekettle worker at the time that I recorded this, and he happily explained me the new features of the earbuds. Now keep in mind that to use all the features of the earbuds you will need to install the app. It's available for both Android or iOS. I remember this moment exactly how it happened because I was looking at the translation in real time, but also in real time was the translation on my ear because the guy was speaking in Chinese. I wasn't understanding anything because I don't know Chinese, but I was hearing everything that he was saying in English in my earbud. Now that was something very cool that I remember from IFA in 2024. Now I will let you see the other part of the video.
OK， 好的，现在我来给大家展示一下这款耳机。这款耳机在我说中文的时候，它就能够在另外一只耳机播放翻译结果。它可以让大家以一种比较自然、舒服的方式进行沟通。它甚至不需要盯着屏幕，双方只要各戴一只耳机，就可以很畅快的交流。大家可以在交流的时候互相看着对方，这样就更加的高效，这是更容易让人接受的沟通方式。我们在试图努力的打破沟通障碍，让全世界的朋友们不会因为语言障碍而隔断沟通。
The Timekettle W4 Pro earbuds are designed for real-time language translation, making them great for travelers, business meetings, or casual conversations in different languages. They support 40 languages and 93 accents with a delay up to 3 seconds. You can also use them offline for 13 language pairs, which is handy when there is no internet. The open-ear design makes them comfortable for long use and easy to share. They also reduce background noise pretty well. In order to use all of the features of the earbuds, you will need to connect with the app. These earbuds have a very accurate translation, they are easy to use and wear, they have offline mode available, and they are very useful for travel and work. The W4 Pro earbuds are a solid choice if you often deal with different languages. They are one of the better options out there for real-time translation. The official price of these earbuds is around $450 but if you purchase them on their website, you will get a $35 discount. I will put links in the video description below with the cheapest prices that I will find the W4 Pros. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.